In this video, we're going to look at how we can create streams of random numbers in Java. Streams are something that was introduced a few years back in Java 8, and it introduced a whole new way of coding in Java. Now, a lot of classes, packages introduced support for streams and embraced them, and that applies to the random class as well. So we're going to play with these new methods in the random class to create streams of these random numbers. Okay, let's go ahead. So the first thing we need to do is to create a random. So let's go ahead, and we have, as you can see, 4 new methods here, just with different parameters, and that's how we create int streams, which is streams of integers. So if you take the first one, what that one will do is to create an infinite stream of random numbers. Now, if we start running this, we can give it a go, and using that out. Now, running this test, as you can see, it's just producing a lot of numbers, so I'm just going to stop it straight away. So instead of just printing an infinite stream, we can start working with it using the Stream API, because we actually have the Stream API here now. We can, if you want to map something, if you want to filter something, if you want to do basically whatever you can do with a stream, you can do it. We can limit it, for instance, to 5 and then add our for each again. And if we run the test now, as you can see, it's just printing those numbers that we wanted. Now, we won't dive into the streams, that's a topic for another day. Now, we want to see what else we can do with this ints. As you saw, it was 4 different methods. So the first one is to actually add a limit into the ints itself. So, as you can see, you can add a stream size. So if you add 5 here, you will get the same as with the limit earlier. So printing this would give you 5 of them. So if you actually keep the for each, it will print the expected amount of elements. Now, as you can see, we have other variations we can use as well. And one of them is to give a boundary of what kind of numbers you want. Maybe you don't want such high numbers or negative numbers. So say we want in the range of 0 to 10. So we can use this by giving 0 to 11 actually. And the reason for that is because the random number origin is inclusive, and the random number bound, also the higher end, is exclusive. So this will actually give numbers that can include 0 and 10, but not 11. Let's run this again. And now we have the infinite stream. So we actually need to add the limit again, and that's the last method. So we need to add a 5 there. So as you can see, now we have the stream size, we have the random number origin, and we have the random number bound. So if we run this again now, we have our numbers. So that's how you can create streams of random numbers in Java. And as you can see, it's really easy. So if you want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one.